Welcome back to the Redneck Garage YouTube channel. Today, we're going to change out an outlet in our house because our outlets are old, outdated. Some of them are wore out, some of them are new. This one just happens to be a wore out one. You're going to want to check to make sure to shut off your electric. Now, I know this looks like a screwdriver, but it's a handy screwdriver. Check this out. Hold down this button and we have electric. So you're going to want to make sure you shut that off. This is Redneck Garage. We're not going to shut that off. We're going to show you how not to change it with the electric on. So I usually would have used this, but I left my flathead bit upstairs. So we're going to use the screwdriver I brought. We're going to pull off the cover just like so. Just one screw. I'm going to take that cover and we're going to go like that. Then you got two flathead screws here. Go ahead and pull this out. Now, if you notice, I am using an electrician screwdriver. I'm only using this because these are the set of screwdrivers I have here for the house. Now, we're going to want to pull this out as much as possible, as much as you can. Some of you guys might not come out that much, but we have plenty of room. Now, if you can see, the white is always going to be on the silver screws, and the black is going to be on the copper looking screws. Some of them might look brass or whatever. These are old outlets. So let me show you. You're going to want to get your outlet. We went to Lowe's. You can get them on Amazon or wherever. Get your outlet like so. There's a couple of features that I want to show you about these outlets. I can't really demonstrate it here because I don't need to, but see these grooves right here? These grooves, they're all the way around it. You know what those are? Those are actually wire strippers. You put your wire in there, you go like this, and it strips it. Also, on the back, can you see that?
Yeah, I can see it.
I'm trying to get the light, but...
See, you kind of move your head, and we're in the light.
Okay, you see that right there? That's a wire stripping gauge. So you put your wire in there, and then it shows you where you want to cut it. See that arrow? You're going to put your wire in there up to this little notch. I know it's a little dark, up to that notch. And then down here, so you're going to want to measure that. Once you have that, you're going to slide your wire in this hook and strip it. And then you're going to want to curl it around. These are super cool. They come with those tools automatically. So now, I'm going to show you how to change it. Without getting electrocuted. So you're going to want to back those out. And what I like to do is I like to do one set of wires at a time so I don't get electrocuted.
There you go.
There we go.
Uh-oh, now you just lost your screw.
That's okay. We don't need that screw. Let's get that wire out of the way there. Take that screw all the way out. I know these guys are going to give me crap because I didn't shut the electric off. What fun would a video be if I shut the electric off? Just to prove to you the electric's still on. Still on. Alright. Now we're going to want to grab our new receptacle. We're going to take... That's why they curled them all the way around.
Didn't want to come off.
You're going to want to hook that just like so. Remember, white goes on silver always. we go. And to hook it more. All right, now we're gonna do the same for the other side over there. Gonna switch me spots. Is it dark? Is it real dark?
I don't think it's dark. I can actually see. Look.
Okay, just
I
making
can
sure.
see.
And one thing about our house is most of our house is not grounded. Some of it has been updated. A lot of it has not. This is one that has not been updated, so there is no ground. But if you have a ground, then it'll go on this green. Let me show you once I get the wires on. A weird angle here.
You want me to back up a little bit, or
No, you're good.
Okay.
You're good. I just want to get it on there. That, and I'm being careful because the electric is on. Otherwise, I would have just grabbed it all with my hands and would have had it done by now. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to get electrocuted. It doesn't hurt. It's only 110, but still. There we go. So, as I was saying, if you had a ground, it would be just a bare copper wire, and it would go right here on this green. There you go. It would go right on this green, and then you put it in there. So let's get it back in here. Get it back up in here, like so. Now you're going to want to grab your plate, put it over here. You just want to snug your plate just until that screw stops. Right like that. Just snug it or you'll crack it. Okay? Now, let's see if it works. Okay. So now we're going to plug our dehumidifier back in. Oh, that's nice and tight.
It works too.
Yes.
I just heard it.
Now we can plug our charger for all of our YouTube batteries. Now it's a mess. I had it looking good. So as you can see, that was nice and wore out. Been used. I mean, they don't even make that style anymore. That tells you how old these are. So we got about 8 of these or so we got to replace. That's going to be it for this video. Super easy. Make sure you don't do what I do. Just turn your electric off. I just wanted to do it for a challenge. I didn't get zapped, so we're good. This video is brought to you by Main Street Cycle, your #1 CF Moto dealer. You can find all of your CF Moto accessories, parts, stereos, windshields, lift kits, tires, rims, axles, the whole 9 yards. Anything you can think of for your CF Moto machine, you can pick it up at Main Street Cycle or at www.mainstreetcycle.com. You can also check them out to see what kind of machines they got in stock. I hear some Z950s and some U forces and some C forces are coming to them. So check them out. We'll see you in the next one. Please leave me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and leave me a comment down below on how well I did. I mean, I'm not an electrician. I'm a mechanic. But I'm turning a wrench, a screwdriver,